Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood chowder. Begin by prepping 1 lb seafood, chopping vegetables, and measuring spices. Sauté onion and celery in butter until soft, then add diced potatoes and broth to simmer. Stir occasionally while skimming foam. Add seafood toward the end to avoid overcooking and finish with cream and fresh herbs for richness. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and lemon for brightness. Start by melting butter and sautéing onion and celery until translucent and aromatic. Add potatoes and 2 cups broth, then simmer until potatoes are tender and flavors meld. Reduce heat and gently fold in seafood, cooking just until opaque and tender. Stir in cream or milk for a velvety texture, then adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Finish with chopped parsley for freshness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated matters while you cook, so consider the Owala water bottle for easy sipping between stirring and tasting. It holds well, seals tight, and fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To thicken chowder, start with a light roux or mash a portion of the cooked potatoes right in the pot for a rustic body. Gradually whisk in cream or milk to keep the texture smooth and avoid curdling. Layer flavors by adding a splash of white wine or a bay leaf while simmering, then remove the bay leaf before serving. Finish with fresh herbs and a final taste adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.